Today, we will learn about Write LDR function in the Hitachi-ARM series. Current version is the latest 2.1.1.1.1. Select the ARM program. In fact, the Hitachi hard drive family comes from the model. If the model is not supported, you can choose other families to test the firmware reading result. The family has been recognized. Here, directly enter the program. The firmware information and ID can be recognized. At this point, a full resource backup needs to be performed. The ARM series has a typical fault where the ID is not fully recognized. Excluding head faults, there is usually certain fault causing the firmware that fails to obtain, especially the module list. At this point, the LDR needs to be written. Prepare a donor drive. Match the full model and PCB number. The firmware version is not shown on the drive label, so it is not considered for now. We assume that current drive is the faulty one. Select the module folder from the donor firmware. After successful writing, module list and open module list can be successfully obtained. Note that although the open module list does not affect data, it does assist in drive recognition during power on. Therefore, the LDR needs to be loaded. Now, we will back up the firmware of the faulty drive. In the backup log report, the damaged modules can be confirmed. Sometimes, many faulty modules may be found. Alternatively, the SA structure test function can be used for confirmation. So, which modules need repair? Open the module list. Sort by importance level. Generally, after repairing the add-marked modules, the drive can be recognized and data accessed. The repair approach is very simple. Based on the log feedback, use the good copy to repair the bad copy. Thanks for watching.